Hey, we're here again showing you how to remove the front outer door handle on your 2015 Mazda CX-5 right here. So first you gotta open the door. You have this rubber clip right here, a rubber plug. Just have to pull it off. You got that screw right there. That's a T25 torque screw, so you're gonna need a T25 screwdriver. And here we go. Here's a T25 screwdriver with the torque tip. So you gotta reach in for that screw. It's right there on it. You turn anti-clockwise, then you unscrew till it comes right out to the end of that rubber plastic looking thing right there. Okay, gotta comes right back before it comes out. So after you finish unscrewing the screw right back to you just need to pull this here out to you like that. Just as easy as that. But this one won't snap out until you remove this panel right here to get to the wire for the essential locking. So you gotta remove these screws to get behind here to unplug that wire. So after you finish removing these screws, you gotta pry this out a little, just a little, to get behind here, so you can unplug this wire right here to get the handle out. So after you unplug this, the lock should be easy to get out. So once the wire is unplugged, you then pull up and prise to you, just like that, and it's out. Simple. So like and subscribe for more videos.